Thank you for the opportunity of receiving us this evening. We know we're probably late here and came unannounced. We're probably late here and came unannounced. Please, we plead and for forgiveness for coming late. But you know how this is. You're running around all over the place. We are here to plead with you. We have started a campaign for a new Nigeria that is possible. And in that new Nigeria, I insist, whether it's a council election, whether it's any form of election, you must go and see the people. Because it is about the people. We want to build a Nigeria where people will stop. Look at all of you here. Committed to your business. Committed to helping Nigeria. Yet Nigeria is not working because people like me are busy stealing public money. That is what we want to end. We want to stop people from stealing public money. Public money must be used for public good. If you want to make money, you go and be a businessman. Because if those who are stealing public money are doing business, they will know what you are suffering. But because they don't know what you are suffering, they are busy stealing public money. Public money should be used for schools. Public money should be used for hospitals. Public money should be used for power. Public money should be used for making sure that the things are okay. Our president promised us that he will give us power in 2 years. If he doesn't give us power in 4 years, we should not vote for him. No, he said, if I don't give you power in 4 years, don't vote for me for second tenure. Now second tenure is here. He's not taking off. No, they're not taking the villa off the grid. So he's not doing solar. He's not doing solar. That is what we want to stop. We want to have government where we have competent people, people who are qualified, people who have compassion for the society, people who have capacity, who can afford to go around and know what the people are suffering, people who have commitment. So we are begging you, we have a council election this Saturday. Yes, it's a council election, but that is the foundation. in which we will start building that new Nigeria. We want to show them that they cannot continue to buy votes. We want to end it, because the money they are using to buy that vote is money they stole from us. It's our stolen money that they are giving you back. Please do not take it from them. Tell them you need a better society. You want a better school for your children. You want to have a hospital where if anybody, if you go to other societies, Indonesia, everywhere, people like you who are doing business, if anything happens, they go to hospital, they get cured. In Nigeria, you cannot get that. We want a Nigeria where a child of nobody will be somebody without knowing anybody. We cannot continue this way. That is why I'm coming here. All of them that want to be president, none of them will come here. They want to be president, but they will not come here. So they don't know what you're suffering. They don't know your pain. That is why we are coming here and begging you, please. This party, they have stopped me. ADC. Today they will tell you, P2B have left Labour to ADC. What they did is that, no, what they did, now let me tell you, what they did is that they made sure that while I was there, that they will not allow Labour to be free. I left Labour on 31st of December. 7 days, they recognize it. But we got to judgment in April, because they don't want me. They are doing everything to make sure that I'm not a candidate in the next election. But let me tell you, I must be candidate. To unite Nigeria. Nigeria must be united. We want a secured Nigeria. We want a Nigeria where people can travel freely without fear of favor. We want a Nigeria where there will be food. A Nigeria where business will thrive. A Nigeria where there work for everybody. People will come to you and tell you, I don't want you to vote for me because I'm an Igbo man. I want you to vote for me because among all those who are contesting for president, I'm the most qualified. And Dr. Mo is the best qualified for local government election. He is number one. Thank you.
Do you know why we say arise? Because Nigeria is on the ground right now. Our businesses are on the floor. Are we not tired of poverty? Are we not tired of double taxation? I came here and I know that you people do not have water in this place. For 5 years, the local government could not give you water. Is that not gangsterism? Is that not corruption? Just last week, they summoned all the chairmen, over 100 billion that was misappropriated. Have you seen 1 billion before? Not to talk of 100 billion. Is that not corruption? Are we not tired? Are we not tired of crying? Are we not tired of suffering? What about multiple taxation? How can we have people who are running AMAC who don't understand business? How can we have people running AMAC when no go school even to understand the plight of the people? How can we have people running amok who don't have families? How can we have people running amok who are just talking about tribalism and religious gangsterism? Next week, Saturday, who are you going to vote for? Who are you going to vote for? A vote for ADC is a vote for progress. It's a vote for education. It's a vote for peace. It's a vote for business progress. Because Nigeria will rise again. Amak will rise again. Area 1 will shine again. Oh! ADC! Make una listen. I hear say, somebody say Ingoriguna election. Somebody say Tufiakwa. Tell us say back to sender. If they do anyhow, maybe they think say Amak na their village. Maybe they think say Amak na yeye people. The will of the people must take place on Saturday. We will vote. We will defend our votes. Our vote will be counted. And as my papa talk, if they don't count the vote, we go count them. ADC. But before I go, I want to tell you now something. Me, I not be bastard though. How many of you get papa here? You get papa? Now my papa be this, so I no get another one. Hey, now my papa be this, so I no get another one. Hey, here you are one say, now my papa be this, so here you are one say.
Somebody say DC. Somebody say DC. Somebody say Dr. No. Somebody say B1. Somebody say DC. Somebody say Dr. No. Somebody say B. Somebody say DC.
This kind of president you need. That's the kind of president you need. You know what you need for this country. Yes. Yeah, this kind of president you need. You go to water, know the way this country.
Girma Peter Obi ya zo ya goya bayan Dr. Mo a cikin wannan jam'iyyar ADC ran sati kowa ya je wurin zaɓe.
Ku nuna wasu cewa Abuja fa ba Lagos bane ba kuma Abuja ba Lagos bane ba. Jama'a mu fito da kwamu da kwakwatar mu. In Allah ya da Allah ya ba mu nasara ko mu don aka zaɓe su sun san cewa mutane da suka zaɓe su ba su suka sa kansu ba kuma ba kuɗin su ba. Jama'a ne da ikon Allah ne ya sa su kuma dalilin haka za su yi mutane aiki. Dr. Mo shi ne chairman na Ahmad ADC. ADC alama malam duk kuɗin da ake ta bayarwa shekara da shekaru kaga suna cinye muku kuɗin ku ne ana ɗauka ana baka. Saboda haka lokaci yanzu kai ya waye. Ba da a ciya mutum 5,000 ba shikenan a cinye maka biliyan 5. Yanzu ranar Asabar duk wanda yake da katin zaɓe ya fito ya yi zaɓe a dangwala wa ADC. Insha Allah kan idan da they don't bury him an yi da yanzu za a canza canjin. Yanzu za a canza canjin wanda suke cewa wani wai za su yi rigin zaɓe to za mu nuna musu ban Allah da ta fanjama ba wani gudu ba tsoro ba ba za mu yi zaɓe mu zauna a gurin da kirga zaɓen mu yadda mutane suka zaɓa ka zai fito Allah yadda. Yanzu ADC za ku ga alamar shan hannu ana cin Allah ya da shan hannun nan da unity na haɗin kai ba da raba kai ba an dade ana raba kan talakawa kan talakawa ya rabu amma su suna na kansu a haɗe yake dindindin abin da suke suna juya mu yadda ransu yake so. To yanzu fa in Allah da Allah nuna mana ranar Asabar Allah ya ba mu ƙarfi da ikon da ba mu canji mu zaɓi abin da ya fi alherin Allah yadda. ADC a sa musu hannu kun ga Dr. Mo nan yana nan gashi da Peter Obi jiya kun ga Dusun ya zo da duka sauran su Atikun ne su Erufayin ne su Abeci da duk ya zo da su ga su na wani yana tafi ne rashin fita. Biga su ba su san Peter Obi yana gashi nan da kan shi nan tun da safe muke